I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have on your Dell uh, menu app, so just click on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this, so then you go down. Just keep going down here, so then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps this here, and there you're looking for il Minera, put just click on search. So then here at il Miner, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list, you just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.